it. Non, rien. Non, non, ne regrette en rien.
Okay, so last Wednesday we did preparation for today. Last Wednesday we mainly measured and thought about what the best and efficient way was to be working in the truck, for the truck. And so we're gonna start making beams that are gonna flatten the wall in a sense, so the stainless steel can fit under. And we're gonna make the first workspace where the two baking plates can fit on. If you haven't seen the previous movie, we will link somewhere above here. And yeah, so let's get started!
I want a food truck. Food truck. We're converting an old German ambulance into a food truck. Food truck's gonna sell vegan burgers. It's initiative by Bram's dad. He owns a food truck company. Yeah, and his dad assigned us to make it happen. So that's what we're doing. So as you can see here, this is the driver's seat. This is what they call a wheel. Sometimes you do this, and sometimes you do that. There's a huge dashboard here with these are some components that we took out, but it still has all the things attached here. Some of it is still working actually. No. Hallo? Ja, ich brauche 2 Pizza. Pizza Salami. Danke sehr, bitte. Tschüss. So if you can look around, you can see that already partly removed some stickers. Rettungsdienst. And dienst. It's a functional, 100% functional truck. Very good condition.
These grey ones.
Oh yeah, yeah.
So 35, 27, 22. So I'm starting the beams now.
Or just this beam?
Yeah.
Beam!
I always do this.
No.
No, not yet. I need to extend the line. Yeah. The problem is that this wall is curved. Like it has a higher point over here. You can even hear the air behind it. So if I lay this down on here, then I either have a gap over a gap at that point, or over here, or I need to hollow this out. I think it's just gonna be like half a centimeter, I would say. It's gonna be annoying, but I think I need to do that. This will fit around the... There's like this small strip of aluminum over there. And we can't pull it out. It's like a profile where the slab's fitting in. The wall, kind of. The chisel is so dull.
No, they are protective. It's very necessary. Always good to have protective gear. And always wear safety glasses. Yeah, so apparently there's no doorknob on this side of the door, and the door just blew shut from the wind.
But there's another exit. I don't know if you can enter.
Oh yeah, sure.
This looks promising.
Yes! Woo!
Free! Free! Free!
8 o'clock here. We're still in the food truck. Gonna work for 2 more hours. A few things that we still need to do. Look at Bram.
Can put my own weight in it. Made it.
Dang, dang. So, quick recap of what we accomplished today. What did we accomplish today?
Okay, so maybe to start, the problem of today is that it is too cold. So the glue or any epoxy or any kit or whatever, it won't harden out today. So it's kind of messing up the whole planning. We've been preparing everything, so we cut everything to the right size. Well, whatsoever, it's just gonna be attaching and adding everything to the place that we prepared, I would say, right?
We basically prepared everything
Yeah.
to glue everything shut. Next time next time it's not as cold.
Yeah.
These are the little cabinets that we're gonna put together, ready for gluing, ready for assembling. Yeah.
What? Again?
And again.
Holy shit, it goes deep.
Seriously, look at it.
So this old ambulance has 2 different batteries. They're over here. They're not blinking right now because that would be a bad sign. But one of them is the service, and the service means that everything in the trunk, let's say, is on one battery, and the other battery is just like the engine, as you know how a battery works in a car. But when we came here a few weeks ago, they were blinking all the time, so we felt like shit, something is major wrong. Because this plug here should be. That's what we found out. It should be inserted. It should be plugged in. This is giving like just main power to charge the batteries. So we're all the time doing it now. We're plugging it in when we arrive, and when we're leaving, we're plugging it out. We did a lot of preparation today. So next week is going to be a major change. Probably. Well, I'm not going to say that we're going to finish the whole back wall, but
Next week will be mostly assembling.